In this video we will learn how to replace IQ Gateway via Enphase Installer app. Open Enphase Installer app. From the Systems list, tap the system you are working with. Scroll down and select Request Return and Install Replacement under the Service section. Tap Replace IQ Gateway. Make sure the existing IQ Gateway is selected and follow the instructions in Step 1 before tapping Proceed. Scan the serial number of IQ Gateway in Step 2. You can enter the serial number manually by tapping on this pen icon. Scan the serial number. Tap Proceed. Before proceeding, turn on IQ Gateway AP mode. Press AP mode button once. AP mode light will turn green. Now tap on Connect. Select Envoy name Wi-Fi signal and wait for app to connect with IQ Gateway. After successful connection, provide internet to IQ Gateway by entering Wi-Fi credential. You can also provide internet via Ethernet cable. Go back and tap on Proceed. Disconnect phone from IQ Gateway and connect to internet. Tap Replace device. Your IQ Gateway replacement request is submitted successfully.